Hey, this is Michael de la Cruz, and in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about why affiliate marketing is the best, especially if you're a beginner. So stay tuned. Listen up. When you want to go out there and make money online, you want to make an income and create freedom from the comfort of your home or from anywhere in the world. People don't tell you, they don't tell you that you have to, have a product or service that solves a problem. They don't tell you that you're going to have to build a system. You're going to have to have a system in place that does the telling and selling 24/7. And lastly, they don't tell you that you're going to need to learn how to drive traffic, which is visitors or eyeballs, into that system, so you can start generating, sales, generating leads, right? They don't, a lot of people don't tell you that. They don't tell you how hard it is to set all that stuff, yourself, especially if you're starting out. I mean, when I started, I knew that people were making money online, but I didn't have a clue, how they were doing it. Until one day, I found a mentor that was actually doing it and was actually getting results, and that also had something called affiliate marketing program, right? And that's how I started. I started with affiliate marketing. Why affiliate marketing is the best, in my opinion, is because it actually allows you to really leverage other people's products. I mean, I'm talking about leveraging products that other people already created, so you don't have to create them. Leveraging other people's systems that they already built, and leveraging, training that's proven, instead of you going out there and try to do things yourself. So that's what I love affiliate marketing, is because you don't have to create your own products. Everything is pretty much done for you. So you get done for you products, you get done for you marketing systems, and you get done for you training. And like for example, in my affiliate program, on my that I'm affiliated with, I actually simply just drive traffic to a website, to a link that is already created on my behalf, right? So that's what I want for you. I want for you to realize the power that you have with affiliate marketing, especially if you're just starting out. Affiliate marketing is going to be the best way if you're looking for a way to make a substantial income on the internet. You want to start with affiliate marketing because you don't have to deal with customer support. You don't have to deal with inventory. You don't have to deal with, shipment. You don't have to deal with returns. When you find a company that provides products that solves a problem in your chosen niche, and you become an affiliate of that company, you can use those products and actually go out there and start making money, right? Go out there and start making money, get trained by the right people. So that's my message to you today, and that's why affiliate marketing is the best way for you to get started, especially if you're just a beginner, okay? If you want to know how to start a profitable online business through affiliate marketing and how you can get started today, go ahead and click the link below this video, click that #1 recommendation, and see for yourself. Grab those details and see for yourself how you can get started today and how you can start profiting online with affiliate marketing. Again, this is Michael de la Cruz, and I'll check you on the next video. Thanks for tuning in.